I'll just show you how to play music from your mobile or stream music from your mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Audi A4. So if we go to music, that's the record playing at the moment, and you see there at the bottom, if I click on there, oops, sorry, click on there again, Audi MMI 6974, there's a tick next to it. If the tick's next to iPhone, just touch it, that's it, tick. Once the tick's there, any audio that plays through this on your mobile, whether it be Spotify, iTunes, Amazon Prime, the soundtrack of a YouTube video, will play through the audio system. So if I go back here, I'm going to turn it down, click play. Then we go over to the system, and you've got radio and media here. So if I click back media, you'll see there it's already playing, it's already connected on there because that's on Bluetooth audio. But if it's not, if you come to it and you see there media selection, let's just click to, you perhaps come to it and it's got auxiliary. So all you do is click the media button again until you get to Bluetooth. There you go. So now anything that plays through here, I'll turn this up and then turn this up. That's it. That's how you play music through the system.